Hi everybody. So I just got back from the International Society of Hair Restoration annual meeting that was in Hollywood, California this year. Exciting meeting, great to visit with colleagues I've known now for 25 years just by going to this yearly meeting. The International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery is really our mainstay society, our main society for the field of hair transplant surgery. Like I said, it was just great visiting with old colleagues and just learning what others are doing around the world and sharing ideas. Always a great thing. Also got a chance to visit with the restoration robotics people. Exciting what's going on with the robot. We made such advances in the field of medicine. I look forward to sharing them all with you. So give us a call and come on in soon. Take care. Bye.